Good afternoon, my YouTube viewers. In this video, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about the binomial distribution and how it relates to hypothesis testing. The binomial distribution is one of the most fundamental and intuitive probability models in statistics. It is perfect in situations where you are counting how many times a specific outcome occurs across a fixed number of trials, such as how many students pass an exam, how many apples are bruised, or how many survey respondents say yes. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to do a practice question about a fruit inspection. A quality inspector checks a batch of 20 apples. Each apple has a 10% chance of being bruised. What is the probability that exactly 3 apples are bruised? So your number of trials is going to be 20, and your probability of success is going to be 0.1. So each apple has a 10% chance of being bruised. And the number of successes is going to be 3. So a probability of 3 apples being bruised is your binomial.dist is B8 is the number of successes, comma, B6 number of trials. So 3 successes, 20 trials. B7 is 10%, and false means that you get a PDF, probability distribution fractions. So that is your probability. So the thing that we have here is we're going to create a chart. So we've got 20 apples, and the probability of each apple being bruised is binomial.dist brackets D5, comma, B6 is 20, comma, B7 is probability of success, comma, false. And then so what we do is we take all those values and we convert it into a graph. So you can see that the probability of 3 apples being bruised is 19%. And so that was interesting. And then this gives you the probability. So it says like between 2.5 is going to be 27%, and then you go down to 3 and it's going to be 19%. So 1 apple is going to be like 11 or 12%. 2 apples is going to be 27%. 3 apples is going to be close to 30%. No, close to 27%. And then sorry, that's 0, 1, 2, 3. And then 3 apples is 19%. 4 apples is like 9%. 5 apples is 4%. And then it goes down the list. So that's the chart that we've made on the probability of 3 apples being bruised. So we calculated it using the binomial distribution, and then we also made a graph so you can see a graphical depiction as well. So the next question is going to be, the next video is going to be on another distribution, and I hope that you decide to watch it.